he started by saying ngwana swahai. Okay, I was like, okay, if that's what you say, and if you got the DNA, I don't have a problem with you doing them. But just take note, Hore, I'm not gonna beg you to stay. At least ngwana a fejobeliwa. Then you do the DNA test and then you can see for yourself, because I have nothing to hide. Because there was this time when we fought, and then he said to me, "Tshwantse ke kry mmereko so that ke tlo kgona ho ja tjhelete ya ka, ke skalela di tjhelete tsa ba." A re fitla kwale, I think I went straight to Kukwangwana. But then the police called me. Are you the mother? Yes. So, well, apparently, when we got there, they've already knew gore na ke jwa kae, jwang, because they even asked me gore, are you Zimbabwe? Asked the question again to the grandmother. To say, what happened? She told me the same story. To say, because I refit like, okay, first there Neli Buji, and then Nonali Mabu go dima first there bank.
Honale?
Mabu.
Okay. Le first there libule hilas le piatle le no bule raso. Okay.
Ne barobechi kabo 9. Na ke tsiba ba robala ka 8. But that day barobechi ka 9. Okay, Mpilo robala kae. Mind you, unali RDP and then unali the room.
Oh, okay.
Exciting. They are not using the RDP. But the rooms.
Okay.
Kare Mpilo robala kae. Nunali sponge bas aling mola li di kup. Ariana, what she does gore arobale lumpile fast. Then afitu murutisha kana kwa yatlo murutisha kayona anamela mpete robala kere moyena okay murutwana akere le urutile ka 3 okay, that's what I asked. She then anchachima mufasa mpete arorutela kare muruto wa 3 o'clock ugo guy. The captain said, I'm coming to fetch you now. You're gonna open a case of child negligence. Oh, Pimpia mama, I miss you, my baby. I can't wait to hold you in my hands. And I can't wait to take you out. I can't wait for you to choose any outfit that you want to wear. And also, Mommy has bought you winter clothes.
Oh, man.
I bought you this little cute boots. They are black in color. Also bought you this pair of techies. They are pink in color.
Yeah.
I bought you a lot of track suits for you to be worn.
Yeah.
They are waiting for you, my darling.
Waiting for you, Mpile.
Please come back home.
Come back.
Mommy is barely coping. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to do. I'm just begging you.
Bella Pimpia, Mom. I can't wait to tell you that I love you so that you can say it back to me. I miss your voice, my baby. For you to say, Mama Ushapo, I want that from you. Because I best believe that you know me when I'm not okay. And I just need to hear you asking me if I'm okay. And giving me a hug when you see me cry. I love you so, so, so much. Please come back to Mommy.
He started by saying, Mwana Swahai. Okay. I was like, hey, okay, if that's what you say, and if you got the DNA, I don't have a problem with you doing them. But just take note, Hore, I'm not gonna beg you to stay. At least Mwana a fejobeliwa. Then you do the DNA test and then you can see for yourself, because I have nothing to hide. Because there was this time when we fought, and then he said to me, "Tshwantse ke kry mmereko so that ke tlo kgona ho ja tšhelete ya ka ke skalela ditšhelete tša ba." A re fitla kwale, I think I ke tsena ko ntlong, I went straight to Kukwangwana. But then the police called me. Are you the mother? Yes. So, well, apparently, when we got there, they've already knew gore na ke tswa kae, jwang, because they even asked me gore, are you Zimbabwe? Asked the question again to the grandmother. So say, what happened? She told me the same story. To say, because I feel like, okay, first era neli buji, and then no nali mabu go dima first bank.
Honale?
Mabu.
Mabu. Okay. Le first le bule hilas le piatle le no bule raso. Okay.
Ne barobetši ka bo 9. Na ke putsi ba robala ka 8. But that day barobetši ka 9.
Ka 9.
Kere okay, Mphilo robala kae. Mind you, una le RDP, and then una le di room.
Oh, okay.
Exciting. They are not using the RDP. Ba berekisha the rooms.
Okay.
Kare Mphilo robala kae. Nuna le sponge ba se a leng mola le dikopo. Ariana, what she does gore a robale Mphile fast. Then a fetjo morutisha ka nako ya tlo morutisha ka yona a namela mpete robala. Ke re moyena, oh okay. Moruta ngwana a ke re le re o rutile ka 3. Okay. That's what I asked. She then anchachima mufasa mpete a rorutela kare moruto wa 3 o'clock ugo guy. The captain said, I'm coming to fetch you now. You're gonna open a case of child.
Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So what an emotional podcast episode that was. So Mphile's mother went to a podcast or reality with Dolphin here on YouTube to finally speak about her daughter and what happened. You know, she opened up about her relationship with Mphile's father, that they were no longer together. Of course, opening up about Mphile's father's childhood, of course, she said that he grew up being a very person who had a lot of anger. You know, she speaks about also how she grew up, saying that she didn't grow up with her biological parent. Of course, she says that she was adopted and that her mother she doesn't know her mother, but however, her father is from Zim. However, she grew up struggling, you guys, and she says that she took Umpile to Limpopo so that her paternal grandparents can take care of her. She did not expect, it to be such a huge commotion as to, the child missing. She basically just broke down speaking about her memories with Umpile, and of course begged for the public, whoever has any information, to reach out to her. Of course, the host Dolphin didn't leave any question, and she asked everything that people have been wondering. They were saying, people on social media, of course, were saying that she looks suspicious. Dolphin really did ask the right questions. She asked Mpile's mother, does she know where the child is? She looked straight into Mpile's mother. And of course, she broke down saying that she does not know. She knows that, it is illegal to take a child away from another parent, and because people were saying that maybe the child might be in Zimbabwe. I saw people in the comment section saying that the child might be in Zimbabwe and that Umpile's mother could have had a hand in this. She broke down telling Umpile that she has bought her winter clothes. Speaking to her, of course, on camera, she broke down and you could see how emotional she was. Now, the questions remain on everybody's lips. Where is Umpile? Because at this moment, the whole country is just going under depression as Umpile has gone missing without a trace. Now, she also spoke about Umpile's grandparents being arrested. She said, yes, she did open that case after she was advised by the police. She wasn't given an option but to do. So you guys, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and of course do subscribe. Make sure that you do watch the full podcast, Go Dolphins podcast.